Namaste all my brothers. Today we're going to do yoga for men, so stay tuned and let's practice together. If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and click on this bell icon and stay tuned. So first of all, sit down with your closed eyes. Bring your back, neck and spine to be fully upright and straight if possible. Shoulders slightly rolled up, back and down. That will make your back even more straight. Close your eyes and focus on your body within. Let all the anxiety, worries and tension release your body. Go away from the body. As worries, tension and anxiety are the most part that plays the most important role for all the illness, weakness and tiredness. So let's remove that by simply becoming aware of the body, finding the peace. Anytime you find yourself thinking or wondering, simply go back, focusing onto your body. Feeling strong and relaxed. Now, once you are in the present moment, gently open your eyes and continue with the poses, with the asanas. So stretch your legs and bring your hand onto the back. Press the hand backward so that your body goes slightly more forward. That means you will be sitting on your sitting bones and not on your tailbone. So back completely straight. Stay there and feel the slight stretch that you might be feeling onto your back of the legs. Keep breathing. Try breathe through your abdomen if possible. And after that, bring your hand onto your shin bones and with each exhalation try to go forward. But make sure that you are not hunching your back, because we want to bend from the hip always, so that you can give nice massage to this area. Also work on your stretching your back, but not hurting any thoracic area. Therefore, keeping the back as straight as possible so that your chest remain relaxed and you can breathe. You can hold for as long as you comfortably can. Keep breathing while any asana pose, any asana you are holding. And keep the stretch to go further, slide further each exhale or each free breath after. That's good. Inhale back. Now join the sole of the feet together. Hold with your hands, lift your chest up and shake your legs. Give a nice stretch to this area. Then gradually stop and try to give slight more stretch by holding the feet this way, pressing onto your thighs, press them down, press them down. If this doesn't work, bring your hand onto your knees and try press them down. Then back to the holding the feet and shaking your legs. Keep your chest up. The more higher the chest, the more you will be working in the correct area. That's good. Now bend your knee one by one and go into the Vajrasana, the iron pose. I will do from the side so you can see how it looks. Okay, so your feet together, your knees together, and you're gonna bring your hand around the navel, by the side of the navel, and inhale. With exhale, you want to go down and give nice pressure to this area. Keep going down as you can. As soon as you feel nice pressure onto your lower abdomen, that's perfect. Wherever you can hold, rest your head on the ground or on a pillow or a block to remain slightly higher. Breathe. Make sure whenever we're holding the asana, you are breathing. Not choke. Try to do long, deep and slow breathing. Inhale, come back up. Then bring your hands on the ground and bring your knee back to come into the cat pose. And after that, you want to make your spine also nice, loosen up and work onto your spine and back, because this is the most important part for anybody, or even good for the female, but for now we are focusing on the men. So inhale, bringing your head up, arching your back as much as you can. And with exhale, try bring your stomach as high as possible back towards the ceiling, and your chin is touching almost the chest. If you can't touch the chin, it's okay, because it's different bone for everybody. So inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Back to the center. And bring your right foot between your right knee between your two hands. Stretching this leg slightly more back. And relaxing the shoulder. Staying here. Half pigeon. Chest slide forward, look forward, and feel the stretch around your groins. This area should be nicely stretched. Again, breathe. Focus onto the stretch that you're feeling, so make sure that it's not pain, it's just a stretch. As soon as you feel discomfort, come out of the pose. Good. Changing the leg back into the cat pose. Bringing your left knee in between the two hands and stretching the right leg back. Chest forward, shoulder down. Relax your head. That's good. Back to the cat. And roll down to lie on your back. Then bend your knees. When you bend the knee, make sure that your lower back is still touching the ground. So if you bring your leg too close, then this part will start to lift. As you can see, I can bring my hand up, inside, underneath. So bring your knee slightly out and then adjust the back so that there's no space under. Hold the ankle if possible or flat palm on the ground. Tuck your chin to the chest. Then inhale, lifting your hips all the way up and bringing your shoulder to the ground. This way. Rolling your shoulder all the way down, hips up. And if possible, support your back with your hands this way, which is giving a nice deeper stretch. If it's not comfortable, not easy, and interlock your fingers, push them into the ground. That will also, as you can see, lift you much more. For me, it's easy and comfortable, so I'm going to go ahead and support my back. Close your eyes and breathe. Let this asana work. Exhale down. Stretch legs out. Shake them slightly, a little bit. Then bend your right knee. Grab with your hands. Inhale. With exhale, try to bring your knee towards the forehead and forehead towards the knee. Lower back on the ground. So you are more pushing the leg down and the hips remain on the ground. And lower back remains on the ground. Exhale down, stretch leg up and try give nice stretch to the back of the legs. Keep your chin tucked in, left foot stretched, active. Good. Exhale, release, let go. Change your leg. Bending the left knee, grabbing with your hands. Inhale, exhale, forehead to the knee. Breathe. Exhale down. Stretch your legs out, up. And give nice stretch to the back of the legs. Chin tucked towards the chest and hold. Exhale, release and let go completely. Relax in Shavasana for 5-10 minutes, up to you. As relaxed as you want to be. The more relaxed your body, the stronger you are. The more relaxed your nervous system. So that was the yoga for men. Keep practicing it and keep me updated how it's going. If you have any question, any queries, please comment below the video and I'll come back with the answer. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.